Alright, so I forgot to show you why you can't use it on the browser. So I'm going to go back to the browser and go over here to this is what it pulled up whenever I clicked the link, right? So I'm just going to click it again so you guys can see again. So this is why we can't use it on the browser like this. The same thing that happens whenever we use it on a phone, the formulas don't translate very well. So it just doesn't work like it does whenever you pull it up on Excel. So for those of you who do not have Excel on your computers, if you want to get Excel so you can use this, that would be super great. I would encourage you to do that. If you don't, though, you're just going to have to scroll or have somebody look it up for you who does have Excel on a laptop or desktop. So I'm going to try here. Like, it just doesn't let you do anything. Because of the protection that we have to have in order to ensure that the formulas are not messed up, we can't, like, I try to hit editing here. I've tried so hard to make this easy for you guys, and it just doesn't, like, I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to create this other copy. So hopefully you guys would have been able to edit it and actually use it, but it just doesn't let you do anything. It just keeps asking you to, every time you do this, to make another copy and another copy and another copy, and it doesn't actually let you do anything. So that's why this doesn't work. But if you want to look it up on your computer and not your phone, then but you still don't have Excel, I mean, you can do this, but you're just gonna have to scroll through here. You can still see the main information. It's just not going to be that search engine for you guys. So the only way to actually search is going to be using the Excel app on the computer. So, and I wanted to show you guys too that you don't have to know their whole name. So I think you guys kind of got that idea, but I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to just type in Alex here, hit tab, my drop down. It brings up two Alexis, Alexis Alberton and Alexis Jones. So if you don't know which one you're looking for, you just know that her name is Alexis, you can select the first one. You'll have to come back and look for the pointer, hit tab, pull down, go to the next one. Okay, that's her. That's what I was looking for. So you don't know how to spell, if you don't know how to spell their whole name, that's alright. You know, you can type in what you know and it'll bring up a whole list. I mean, even if you just have like one letter, like I, hit tab, drop down, it brings up everybody that has an I in their first or last name. And that's a lot more to go through. But hey, if that's all you got, go for it. What was the other thing? I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys will use it. Unfortunately, you just have to have Excel for it. There's really no way around it. I've spent a long time looking for it another way. And right now, we just don't have that. So, yeah, just let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm super excited to get your guys' feedback on it. So, thank you very much.